Hi children, how are you all? I am pleased to welcome you all to Max class, and I believe you all enjoyed last week with Vinaya Chaturthi celebration. Your work was very awesome, my dear children, and I congrats all the participants who made this occasion a grand one, and we are overwhelmed by seeing all cute Vinayas, and it was really wonderful, my dear children. And keep participating in all the activities. See here, keep in mind your general proficiency award is awarded to students not only based on marks. You all know that. You should be capable of performing good in all extracurricular activities. And this year, our school is going on in this digital mode. And don't take it a playful thing. Someday school will start. At that time, let's study. At that time, let's participate. It's not the situation now, my dear children. This is the way the school is going on. And take it seriously. Complete your classwork. I really feel bad. When I spoke to your parents, they were saying that you have not completed your classworks and homework. And don't be playful like this. Take it seriously. You are not kids to say it repeatedly. You should have your own responsibility to complete everything. Okay, children, once again, I congrats all the participants. Keep it up. And this should be the initiation for all non-participants. Okay, make it a point to participate in every activities. Okay, children? Okay, today we are going to have a trick on finding our birthday. Okay, children, every day we used to have some trick or thoughts, isn't it? Today it's again a trick. I believe you will all enjoy. And before getting into this trick, I want everyone to have calculator in your hand. Without calculator, you will not be able to do it faster. There may be some errors. You can do it in hand also, but it will take some time if you choose a number which is bigger number. If it is a small number, you can do it. Okay, it will be better if you have your calculator in your hand. Okay, this math trick will determine your birthday. Okay, shall we start now? First thing is add 18 to your birth month. If you are born in February month, you should add 2 to the number 18. If you are born in December, you should add 12 with this 18. Is this first step clear for you? Have you all added it? Okay. Whenever you do each and every step, click equal to sign in that calculator. Okay, press equal to button. And don't type continuously. Because nowadays every mobile phones have scientific type of calculators where you can operate multiple operation at a time. We have two different types of calculator. One is ordinary and another one is scientific calculator. In ordinary mode, only one operation can be done at a time. Whereas in scientific calculators, many operations can be done in a single line. But going for ordinary type of calculator, don't do all the operation in a single line. That is possible only in scientific mode of calculator. Okay. Now first step is over. Now the second step is whatever answer you have got it, multiply by 25. Multiply 25 with that. So it will take some time if you are doing it in hand. That's why I asked you to do it in calculator. Then with that answer, press equal to, you will get an answer. With that answer, subtract 333. After subtracting, again multiply by 8. Multiply by 8. Then subtract 554. If you feel I am fast, you can pause the video, complete it and then come back. Okay. First you added 18, then multiply by 24, then subtract 333. Fourth step again multiply by 8. Then fifth step again subtract 554. Then divide by 2. Sixth step is divide by 2. Now the seventh step is an important step. You have to add your birthday date. Whatever answer you have got now, along with that you should add your birthday date. If you are born in 12th of June, you will add 12. Okay. Next, multiply by 5. If it is in calculator, you will feel it easy to do it. Okay. Then add 692 with that answer. Add 692. Then multiply by 20. Multiply by 20. Next step, add only the last 2 digits of your birth year. Maybe you would have been born in 2007, 2006, 2005. So you will add 05 alone from that number. If you are making this calculation for your father or mother who is elder, take the last 2 digit number. It may be 1980s, 1970s. Okay. So you will add 83 or 86. Okay. Then subtract 32,940. This is the last step. And finally, you would have got a number, 6-digit number or 7-digit number or 8-digit number. Okay. Based on that, you can say the first one number or 2 numbers will represent the month you were born. Okay. See here, if you have got the answer like 123199, it means on December 31st in the year 1999 you were born. This is how you will do. Isn't it very nice, no? In the same way, you can make your own trick. Once you come up with some trick, I have already shown you 2 tricks, I believe. This is the 3rd trick. And if you found the logic behind it, and you can come up with your own tricks and post it in WhatsApp group. I am eagerly waiting to see your tricks, my dear children. Try to make it up and share it with your friends. Is it clear? Okay. Now, in previous class, we started with construction of quadrilaterals, where the lengths of 4 sides at a diagonal are given. Hope you remember. And this is the question that we did. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 5.5 and PR is equal to 7 cm. We had a rough diagram and we started constructing an triangle PQR first. Do you remember that? We first draw PR, then we draw 2 R's to get the point Q and we got the triangle. Then we constructed this. Is it the only way to construct this quadrilateral? No, children. You can start in with the base PS also. Or you can start with the base PQ also. Because with the base PQ, I can again construct the triangle PQR. PQ will be in the base. PQ will be in the base. See here. Yes. PQ will be in the base. Then you will have PR. From P to R, you will have 7 cm one arc. And then you will have RQ, PR, then QR you will have. Here this will be P now. PQR. Okay, even this way you can draw it. And can I draw with the base QR? Base in the sense the first line that I draw now, first step. That is, that line segment is called the base. Okay, you can choose any one as the base and start doing it. And it is not compulsory, always the diagonal should be chosen as the base. You can try it in different method. Anyhow, you will get the same quadrilateral, but it will be in different postures. The one we have drawn will be in 2 triangles like this. It will be up and down. The change in directions will be there. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay. And here is a question for you. Can you draw a parallelogram BATS? We are going to draw a parallelogram BATS. Is it possible? They are asking us to draw. Okay, where BA is equal to 5 centimeter. BA is equal to 5 centimeter. Then AT is equal to 6 centimeter. Then AS is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Only 3 measurements they have given, my dear children. Is it possible to draw a parallelogram with this? It's not possible, no? Hey, it's possible, dears. See here, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So surely you can have here also, ST also has 5 centimeter. Opposite of AT is BS, which is also 6 centimeter. So surely you can construct a quadrilateral because we have all the 5 measurements now, which makes us to construct a quadrilateral. Is it clear, my dear children? AT is 6 centimeter, AS 6.5 centimeter, AS. So it is correct. Okay, children. Now let's move to the next one. Can you draw a rhombus ZEAL? Let me name it as ZEAL. Where ZE is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Diagonal EL is 5 centimeter. Now is it possible to draw a rhombus? Yes, we can draw because in a rhombus all the 4 sides are equal. If this ZE is 3.5 centimeter, all the other sides EA is also 3.5 and LA is also 3.5 and ZL is also 3.5. Now I know 5 datas in this rhombus, which is nothing but 4 sides and 1 diagonal, and that is the condition we started in constructing a quadrilateral. The first case which makes possible to draw a quadrilateral. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay. Now another one thing. A student attempted to draw a quadrilateral plane PLAY, where PL is 3 centimeter, LA is 4 centimeter, AY is 4.5 centimeter, PY is 2 centimeter, LY is 6 centimeter. But could not draw it. What is the reason? Though we have 5 measurements now, that student couldn't draw a quadrilateral. Why? And it is an activity for you, my dear children. You are going to try constructing this quadrilateral in your classwork note itself, geometry note. Okay? And you will analyze why you couldn't draw. Just because this is 6 centimeter, it will be very long, and this is 2 centimeter, where the arcs will not cut each other, and you will not be able to construct a quadrilateral. See here, we all know that now in triangle, I will give you the clue. In properties of triangle, we learnt now sum of 2 sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. If I add 6 and 3, consider this triangle PYL. In this triangle, if I add 6 and 3, it becomes 9, which is greater than 2. Yes, it satisfies that property. Then 6, not property, it satisfies that condition. Then if I add 6 and 2, 8. Again, it is greater than this 3. But if I add 2 and 3, no, we get 5 alone, which is not greater than 6. So that property is not satisfied in this triangle, so we cannot construct this triangle. Therefore, this quadrilateral is also not possible. This is the reason, but you should try constructing that quadrilateral. You will state the reason. Sum of 2 sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. This property is not holded by the triangle YPN. Therefore, quadrilateral cannot be constructed.